Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your GMC Sierra tailgate. Securing your tailgate is a crucial step to protect your valuable cargo and prevent potential theft. We'll explore the straightforward methods available, covering both traditional manual key locks and the convenient power locking systems found on many models. By the end, you'll confidently keep your truck bed safe and sound. For models with a manual lock, the process is quite simple. First, find the keyhole, usually integrated into the tailgate handle. Insert your truck's ignition key firmly into this keyhole. Next, give the key a firm turn, typically 1/4 turn clockwise, to engage the locking mechanism. Finally, remove your key and gently try the handle to ensure the tailgate is securely locked. It's a quick and effective way to add security. Many modern GMC Sierra trucks feature a convenient power tailgate lock, often integrated with your vehicle's central locking system. To engage it, simply press the lock button on your key fob, just as you would to lock your doors. On some models, you might also find an interior button on the dashboard or door panel that controls the tailgate lock. Always double-check by attempting to open the tailgate handle to confirm it's fully secured. After locking your tailgate, whether manually or with power, it's always a good practice to give the handle a gentle tug. This simple step confirms that the locking mechanism has fully engaged and your tailgate is secure. For an extra layer of protection for your cargo, consider adding a tonneau cover. Regular maintenance of your tailgate's moving parts can also ensure its locking system remains reliable for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.